Don't confuse the pronunciation of IE and EI. It makes a huge difference. In the end, I will tell you a word where it's very important or maybe also life-saving to know the difference. Please subscribe and like. For example, the word Wien and Wein. So Wien is the city, Vienna, and Wein is wine. So here it's very important if you read a text that you know how to pronounce it. IE is a long E in German. And EI is pronounced I. And I is also a word, a German word. It means egg. I, das Ei. And E is, maybe you can remember that, it's more like an expression, E, if something is disgusting, E. So you need to remember the difference, and there is a trick, or I think it's a good trick. Just remember the article die. You know, we say die in German. And if you remember that one, you just always will remember that it's I and E, it's a long E, die. Just pick a word that makes you remember the pronunciation. So if you just remember I is a word, das Ei, then you might remember how to pronounce it, I. Okay, here are some words that are important and you can try to pronounce them. First of all, there are a lot of numbers with the letter combination EI. Eins, zwei, drei. And then you often use the word ein or mein, dein, nein. This is also a good word to remember, nein. You all heard that before. So nein has the E and I. Kein, leise, Speise, Freitag. And you learned the word heißen, reißen, beißen. Here is a little example why it's important to have a long E, and we write it with IE. We have the word bist, you know that, du bist. So this is a short I, bist. But if you put an E behind the I, then it's a long one, beast. And this is a noun, das Biest, the beast. And with IE, the long E, there are also a lot of numbers. 4, 7. Then we also have a day of the week, Dienstag. And a lot of verbs, fliegen, siegen, biegen, schieben. And of course the word die and sie. Do you know more words? Write them in the comments. And here are two words where it's really important to know the difference. Reise, this is a journey or a trip. And Riese, this is a giant. Reise and Riese. And they also have different articles, but that doesn't matter right now, but it's der Riese and die Reise. And now the two words where it's really important to know the difference, and this one is schießen, so that means to shoot, and scheißen, that means to shit. You shouldn't confuse those two. So it's really important that you learn how to pronounce the two different letter combinations. And here is a tongue twister. Wenn fliegen, hinter fliegen, fliegen, dann fliegen, fliegen, fliegen nach. Wenn fliegen, hinter fliegen, fliegen, dann fliegen, fliegen, fliegen nach. Wenn fliegen, hinter fliegen, fliegen, dann fliegen, fliegen, fliegen nach. So you have to pronounce it very quickly. And here you also see that we have some verbs that are also a noun. Die Fliege, the fly, and fliegen, to fly. To learn more German, you can also watch my free lessons on my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and like. Bis bald. Tschüss.